Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how to bypass the Google account on Huawei phones. So I have in front of me a Huawei P9 Lite and I want to bypass the Google account. So let's do it. Okay, so first thing, just select your home language and hit next, and region and hit again next. And now you must connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot because you can't continue if you won't do that. So I will connect to my Wi-Fi hotspot and I will enter my password and hit connect. And now you can here hit allow, and now you can hit next, and here hit agree. Again hit allow and wait a few seconds. And now this device was reset to continue signing in with a Google account that was previously signed on this device. Okay, so if you don't know this Google account, just hit here and type any word you want and push it long on this. And now hit here and hit assist. And as you can see, you have access to the Google. Here hit no thanks, and in the Google search bar just type Google account manager and hit search, and here is the first link, just hit on that. Here hit accept and continue, hit no thanks, and here scroll down and select Google Account Manager 6.0.1. I hope you see it, and hit download. Now again scroll down and hit download APC and wait a few seconds. Your download is starting. Here hit update permission and hit allow and hit OK to download this application. Now downloading, and now hit open and hit on the application. Install blockade, no problem, just hit settings and enable unknown sources, hit OK. Now go back and hit again the application and hit install, hit accept and hit done. Now go back and on the search bar just type quick shortcut maker. Here is quick shortcut maker. Okay, and scroll down and go to this link apc20.com and just click on that. Now scroll down and hit download APC from apc20, and now hit OK, downloading, and hit open, and now just hit on this application and click install and hit open. Now here in the search bar just type Google Account Manager. This is the first application that I downloaded. Just type on this, here hit done, type again, and now just select where you see type email and password. I hope you see it. Just hit on this and hit try. Now hit on these 3 points and hit browser sign in, hit OK, and enter your own Google account. I will enter mine. Now signing in, and we are back to the Windows with the try, and just hit the power on button and hit restart, touch restart, and wait until your phone will restart. And now I'm back. Just select home language and hit next, and again hit next. Okay, no need to connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot because you are already connected. Just hit next. Here hit agree, hit allow, and hit here do not allow. Yes, hit allow, hit skip. Okay, fingerprint, hit skip, and configuration successful. Just hit begin. Here you can hit enable, and now you have access to your phone. And go to settings, and now just go down and hit about phone, and here is my phone, Huawei P9 Lite, and Android version 6.0, and Android security patch level is from 1st August 2016. This is the last Android security patch level for Huawei. Now go back and go to advanced settings and go down and hit backup and reset. Now go down and hit factory data reset, and here again hit reset phone and wait until your phone will restart. And now I'm back again. Just select your home language and hit next, select region and hit next. There is no need to connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot, just hit skip, hit continue, agree, hit allow, skip, and hit begin. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and have a nice day.